Hey guys, just had my fimi delivered. Just gonna share the unboxing with you. Let's see what's inside and yeah, great. Wow. Oh, look at that. Wicked. Well, there's a manual. Also, I don't know if you can see that. It's got the code. A package list that tells you what's inside, and also the QR code for the app for the fimi actually. Right, wasn't supposed to be here for another 2 weeks, but it come today. Right, there's the remote. Feels very, very good quality, not plasticky. It's all rubber there, and as you can see, the joysticks, well, the sticks are there. There's the charger. There's all the wires. They've sent me an American charger end. I'll have to sort the extra propellers. It's 3 different ports, as you can see, and then there's the one and only fimi. Oh, I hope you see all that. Be taking it for a flight later now, so the weather brightens up a bit. Where I am in Wales is a bit rainy, but I'm very happy to receive this today. If you like the unboxing, just give me a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. But I will be giving it a flight today, and hopefully you watch it. Thank you. Peace out.